I will say that I love Bellabox just because like each month they surprise me with new products, and like I fell in love with that product. Like literally, it's amazing. Hello beauties and gents, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So if you are new here, then my name is Mehzabin Pinky. And if you wish to see more of my future videos, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And don't forget to hit the notification bell just beside the subscribe button so you will be notified each time I upload a new video. And join me on all social media sites. Links will be below in the description box. So it's now again time to unbox my August Bellabox. Wow, I am literally
so confused about this month's box because I've got no idea.
Let's open and see what's inside this cute little box. So the box looks like this. As always, it's a blue box. It's cute, and like I'll show you guys one thing.
I am storing all these boxes. They are all in here. You know, got. And that is full of boxes. All months Bella boxes are in here. Literally, I don't know what I will do with this, but like they are so good for storing stuff. They're really hard, and I love this for keeping my small stuff.
Okay, so it's all packed well. And so first thing is this card. Says Glam's code, and at the back it has all the details of the products, and like down here it says bellabox.com.au and hello@bellabox.com.au, and I think this is their social media. They are on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Pinterest. Okay, first product is this floss lip gloss, and it says my new favorite lip gloss. Oh gosh, I am literally so desperate to try this now. And like it says LHR, I think this is the color LHR, and at this side it says F dot. It matches my nails so well, and also I think this will go so well with my lipstick. And I want to try, before doing anything, I want to try this. So this is one of my favorite colors. Let's try. Wow, it's literally beautiful. Matches my nails, my earring. So let's see, it's a full-size product. Each swipe of this hydrating formula provides comfortable shine and sheer color while packed in a purse handy tube. Our favorite part, each shade smells like a candy mocha dream. You will receive one of the following shades: LIX, LHR or JFK, and this is 15 grams, retails for $23 and available at flossitup.com. And I want to smell like, it does smell like candy. I love it. This is first full-size product. This is far more than what the box costs. So the box is $19.95, under $20. So if you guys don't know what Bellabox is, it's a monthly subscription box where you get 5 to 7 full to sample size products, and It's under $20 and it's available in Australia and New Zealand, and like it's delivered direct to your doors, which you are willing to try and which you don't know about it. Like this is $23 and like I have paid under $20 for my box. So this one product is more than what I paid for. And like its upcoming season is spring and it's such a good color for spring and summertime. So the next product is this Wet n Wild One Step Wonder Gel Nail Polish. It's beautiful and this one is in shade Coral Support. Isn't it beautiful? Wow. And like Wet n Wild brands products are literally so affordable and like I love it. I literally shop Wet n Wild products from Glam here in Australia, and literally this is just wow. I haven't tried any of Wet n Wild's nail polish yet. I think that this will be amazing, and 7 ml of this product retails for $5.99 and available at discountbeautyboutique.com.au. That's a new website I have known, and coming soon to shoppo.com, and it says here it will last for 2 weeks, and I'll try and see if it lasts for 2 weeks, and it's only $6, $5.99, which is good. So the next product is this La Roche-Posay Ultra Light Fluid SPF 50 plus. So this is it. It's a sunscreen 50 plus. It says very high protection sunscreen, and it says this is a sample size 3 ml. Even with winters, clouds and storms, it's still a total must to wear sun protection every day to protect against UVA exposure. Luckily La Roche-Posay has you covered. So this is good for normal to combination skin. So I am combination skin, so this will be good. This sunscreen is lightweight, invisible and non-greasy, offering the highest UVB protection. So 50 ml of this product retails for $29.95, available at adobeauty.com.au, Chemist Warehouse and Priceline. The next product is this ST Tropez Tinted Lotion. This is a sample size 50 ml. This sample is really big. And this is 50 ml. This is how it looks. It says here it's a tinted lotion. And it says in need for a beachy bronze stain, this tinted lotion delivers a gradual, healthy, sun-kissed glow that illuminates the skin. Its quick drying formula is easy to apply and suitable for all skin types. Best of all, it's ultra hydrating to ensure you are left feeling nourished while you work on your glow. So 200 ml of this product retails for $33.99, available at Priceline and Kohl's. Let's see. It's just a tinted lotion. It's really good. Just matching my skin. I'll show you guys. Okay, it's like this. And you can see it's so matching my skin. I'm already tan. But I'm naturally tan. You should know I'm naturally tan, but like literally I don't have to use a foundation if I am using this. So it's so good. Like it gives that sun-kissed glow. You can see? You won't be seeing on my hand just because I'm already tan. But thanks for sending me this, just because like I will use this and I love it just because of that shine. I love it. It's so glowy. Wow. It matches my skin so well. Same. So the last product is this La Roche-Posay Tolerian Ultra Eye Contour. So this is just a under eye cream. I think it says here, suffer from itchy irritated eyes. Tolerian Eye Contour is a soothing lightweight eye cream designed to reduce puffiness and any discomfort around your eye area. So this product retails for $34.95, 20 ml, and available at adobeauty.com.au and Chemist Warehouse and Priceline. And 20 ml this retails for $34.95. like this is just a sample size of 2 ml. And the bonus product is this Be Fabulous. This is just a shampoo, I think. Okay, yeah, this is shampoo by Revlon. This is just to try. So overall, this box is literally good. I love it. Why? Just because of this lip gloss. I love this lip gloss. The color is literally wow. This month I didn't choose a color just because all the colors over there when I saw in the email, every color was literally so beautiful. So I thought, okay, let Bellabox decide whatever color they want to send me, they will send. So I didn't choose any color, but I think they sent the email, if I'm not wrong. And second, I love this everyday tinted body lotion. So it's a body lotion. I have tried here. You can see there is no difference. My skin is already tanned, so it makes no difference, but it gives that glow and I love it. So I will try on my face. It's a body lotion, but why not? I will give it a try on my face and see if I like it or not. I'm loving this kind of products which gives glow, and glowy thing is me. I love glow. And I also like this nail color. Like all three, I love it. So this is it. I hope you loved this unboxing video. If you did, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Join me on all social media sites, and also, like, if you want to check Bellabox out, their website link will be below too in the description box. And also, if you are subscribing for first time, you will get some discount over there too. So that's good. Why not try? It's just under $20 a month and you'll get so much of goodies. My favorite box, and I am literally subscribed to only one box, which is Bellabox, and I love it. I will never cancel my plan with Bellabox. Like, I love it so much. It's cute. Like, literally, I love all the products they send. Like, it's amazing. Like, they surprise me each month with such good products, and I am in love with them, and I think I will never unsubscribe from them. Like, they're so good. I love it. So yeah, this is it for today. I will catch you all later in my next video. Bye.